Okay guys, nakalimutan ko. Yeah. Let's go!
I feel so alive.
Seven years ago, I met you at the unexpected place, in an unexpected time. Who would have thought na plano pala ni Lord na mag-exit ako ng ilang beses sa Oman to meet my soulmate?
Una kaming nagkakilala ni Sharon sa exit nun sa Oman. Sa unang pagkikita lang namin, nagpapansin na agad ako sa kanya. Nagtanong ng, wala namang kakwenta-kwentang tanong.
Ang sabi niya sa akin, after kong ma-stampan, ang sabi niya, "Hi ate," sabi niya, "mabilis lang ba?" Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, "Oo, mabilis lang naman." Sabi ko gano'n, sumalis na ako.
Nang panahon, alam mo nung college pa tayo. Heartthrob tayo pareho sa school eh.
speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
We've got tested once again when our supposed to be wedding date last year was postponed due to Papa's passing. Wherever he is smiling and very happy for the both of us. I'm still thankful we've got the chance to meet him. I heard when he said to you, Balong, huwag mong papabayaan si Sharon, ha?
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase
Han, ikaw ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal, na buong buhay kong ipagpapasalamat sa kanya. At tulad nga ng pangako kay Papang, ako na ang bahala sa'yo. I love you, Han.